Welcome back to Will's Bills fam. Hope you can hear us. So yeah, we got a couple of Ducatis. So this one right here is what we're calling mine. It's a Ducati multistrada 1200. The idea with this bike is it's sporty, but not so sporty that you can't do long hauls on it. It's designed around comfort and functionality, and yeah, it's considered a touring bike. So it's got a wide, comfortable seat, and when you're sitting on it, you're sitting upright, not lean forward or not lean back. And I love that. It doesn't look the coolest, it's not the coolest looking bike on the road, but it allows me to ride and enjoy myself a lot more, and that's what it's all about. And then Crystal's bike is amazing. It's a Ducati Scrambler 800, and this thing is so impressive. It's the perfect little bike to cruise around the city. The throttle response is there when you want it to be, but it's not so jumpy that you can't just cut around. And so it's just the funnest little bike. It feels so good when you're just bopping around town, and you catch all the wind when you're on the highway, but it's still a very comfortable ride. Yeah, we're having tons of fun on these things. Hopefully you can hear this and we don't have to redo it all at the house.
My aunt asked if we were having a midlife crisis.
Yeah, each of these bikes costs around 11,000 bucks. Crystal's was brand new at that price, and mine is a 2016. So they're pretty affordable, and we're gonna do our best to ride as much as we can this summer. This is the first decent day we've had in a couple weeks, and summer is like half over. So we'll see what we can get done, but either way, this is gonna be a great chapter in our marriage journal, and
yeah,
we're happy to be able to share it with you. So let's go ride. Okay, that was fun. So real quick before we end this, we're gonna tell you about these cool things we got for our helmets. It's this little device right there called a Cardo Pack Talk Bold. You can't see it in there, but there's little speakers, and what these devices allow us to do, being installed on each of our helmets, is connect via Bluetooth and then talk to each other when we're going down the road. Yeah, it's a game changer because we've ridden in the past together, and you're kind of just using hand signals and trying to come up with a plan before you leave, and it's never all that good. But being able to talk to each other in our helmets as we're riding it adds a whole new dynamic that is really cool. So that system was $600. We got 10% off, and it's been fully worth it. And then the other thing you can do with it is connect it to your phone, and you can answer phone calls, make phone calls, listen to music, listen to the radio, stuff like that. So it's just a cool piece of gear that we're having fun with.
I especially love that he can call me on his ride home from work. I get a little more worried about him on the bike, so being able to talk to him on the way home is awesome. And the other added benefit is I haven't been riding as long as Jess, and so when we first got the bike, I was really nervous. And it's like riding a bicycle. After a minute, you're like, oh yeah, I know how to do this. But it was so helpful for me to ask him questions and what gear should I be in? What gear are you in? And all of that. So
yeah, I could give a little bit of coaching, and not that I'm an expert by any means. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one.